guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you've seen this face. I am coming to you today with a new video. First off, I would like to thank all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel, and I would like to welcome back all my old subscribers. Hey guys, this video is going to be my curl kit and my curl box unboxing. So I am going to start with the curl kit. I have been having this since before vacation. I just didn't have enough time to do it, so we are going to open it up. I've already opened it, but we're going to get into it. Curl Life University, Curls and Culture. This product right here is something that I have been wanting to try for a while. I just did not want to purchase it. So luckily they sent it to me, and I am so glad they did, because I'm going to enjoy this and I hope it works. So the first thing that we got was the Caviar Curls Moisturizing Spritz. It says it has no parabens, no glycerin, no sulfate, silicones, mineral oil, or petroleum. And that is what that looks like. Oh, it smells pretty good. So we're going to try this and see how it works. The next thing we got was the Cashmere Caviar Collection. It's the hair bath. It's for kinky textured hair, and that's what that looks like. It smells pretty good. It doesn't have a strong, overpowering smell. The next thing we got was the Cashmere Caviar Hair Silk. That's what that looks like. Let's see if it smells the same. Like I said, it smells pretty good. I might try this today. I've been having these braids in. It hasn't even been a month, but I'm going to take them down. My head feels heavy, and I don't know if it's my hair that's giving me the headaches, but I've been getting a lot of headaches lately. So it's about time for them to come down. Actually, it's not about time for them to come down, but I think I'm going to take them down. I'm not sure. We'll see. The last thing that I received was the Cashmere Caviar Hair Gel, and it looks like that. It smells pretty good. This one has a little stronger smell than the others. It's still, again, it's not overpowering, but it has a little stronger smell. If you've tried these products, please let me know what you thought of them. Now we're going to move on to the curl box. And in the curl box, we got the curl box. I'm the Magic is what they titled this collection, and this is the cocoa butter formula. See, the first thing that we received was the cocoa butter and biotin length retention shampoo, and it says it has vitamin E and 6 antioxidants, and it's color safe. So let's see what this smells like. It smells okay. It doesn't smell bad or anything, but it smells okay. It's not, it smells okay. It's not a bad smell, but it's different. The next thing we got was the cocoa butter and biotin length retention conditioner. I wonder if this works, and that's what that looks like. It smells the same, and you can tell it smells like cocoa butter. I received the cocoa butter and biotin, the length retention leave-in conditioner. It's for detangling, heat protection, and moisturizing. Again, it smells like cocoa butter. This one smells pretty good though. It smells better than the other two. Then I received the cocoa butter and biotin length retention cream styler. It's a creamy formula for coral definition. This one to me sort of smells like the little cocoa butter stick that you get, the little tube, and that's what that one smells like. All of them have that smell to it, but that one smells more like the stick. And the last thing I received is the cocoa butter and biotin length retention shine glaze serum. It says it locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to your hair. That's what that looks like. Now this one smells good. This one smells really good. So I can't wait to try these products. But that's all I received in my Curlbox and Curl Kit subscription. I have to make room for this stuff, guys. I have so much product, but it is what it is, and I'm going to continue to get it. I'm going to change my bookshelves out because my bookshelves are a little small, so I'm going to get bigger bookshelves to put my product on. But that's all that I received in my Curlbox and my Curl Kit. Like I said, I have another one that'll be here in about a week or two, and I'm going to get that video up. So you might have them like back to back, or they won't be that far apart. But that's all for this video, guys. Like I said, I do have more product coming in because this time they just shipped out my Curl Kit and my Curlbox. So that'll be in another week or two before I get that video up. But please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.